Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to do a food review. Is that okay? Okay. So I went to Kentucky Fried Chicken. Here's the Colonel here saying hello to you. Okay. And I got their honey barbecue wings. And I wanted to see what people were talking about. Okay. So I paid $5 and some change for the wings. So let me just take them out. Let me show you. Here's the wings. It comes with the barbecue sauce on it. Alright, so let me just take them out the container. Okay, so right away you can see I have 6 wings. Okay? Alright. So I'm dying to taste them because I like wings. Okay? Well, let's just taste it and see what's going on, okay? Alright. So the wings are battered already as if they were fried, okay? Let me take a taste. Yes, I can taste the batter that they put on it. Tastes pretty good. I like the idea that they're battered before they put the honey barbecue sauce on them. And I must say, they taste pretty good. You know, you can't go and get 6 wingdings for $5 normally. So I think that's a good deal. And is that something that I would go get again? Absolutely. So I want you to write and let me know in the comment section what food reviews you are interested in me doing. And I'll do them. Okay? So that we can know what's out there. Is it worth driving over there to get it? And all of that stuff. Okay? And let's face it, if I do the food review, it might save you a trip. You know, maybe you heard about something and you just want to know about the food at a certain chain and how it tastes and should you really waste your money, okay? In this case, I don't think your money is being wasted. I think they did a good job. It is definitely tasty. It also has a spicy kick to it too. So if you don't like a spicy kick, you may not want the wings. Maybe they have some mild ones. But it definitely has that. Now I don't know if that is within the honey barbecue sauce or is it within the chicken itself. That's something that you can ask them. See, this review is helpful already, because how would you have known that it had a spicy kick to it with the honey barbecue chicken wings, right? Okay, so if you get a side and a drink, you're probably looking at maybe $10, $11, $12, okay? So that would be a nice meal. I think that's very reasonable for a meal, okay? Okay, how about that, huh? Did you like this review? I did. I like the chicken wings. So I'm going to have to give the Colonel a thumbs up. And I'll give this at a rating of, I'm going to give it a 10. I'm going to give it a 10 because it tastes good. It was battered. It had a little spicy kick to it that I like. And it was only $5. So I think overall it was a good number 10. So you go ahead and get yours and you rate yours and let me know what you think about it, okay? Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video with others so that they can see if they like it. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And by all means, check out the links below. You never know. It may be something interests you. Okay? Alright. So it was a pleasure talking to you. It was a pleasure doing this review. And I look forward to doing many more. Okay? And oh yeah, by the way, if you don't want to cook for Thanksgiving, this is it. Because this month I'm celebrating Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be cooking all items pertaining to Thanksgiving. And if you have a request, you can just comment and let me know. So if you don't want to cook for Thanksgiving, you can go over to the Colonel Fried Chicken and get this honey barbecue chicken wings. Now they had other flavors also. They had barbecue sauce and other toppings that you could get other than honey barbecue. I just happen to like honey and I happen to like barbecue, so I put the two together and I got honey barbecue. Okay, alright, so thank you for hanging around and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye bye.